This is a fully automatic wheat flour production line with a daily capacity of 60 tons, highly suitable for medium-sized flour mills. The production line consists of 3 main sections: raw grain cleaning, flour milling, and flour storage and packaging. Grain cleaning section equipped with a horizontal wheat scourer, rotary flat sieve, gravity destoner, wheat washer and dryer, high-efficiency vibrating sieve, and 2 square pulse dust collectors for centralized dust removal. Milling section adopts 6 flour mills, 2 purifiers, 2 bran brushers, 2 high-square plant sifters, and a pneumatic collection system. Dust removal is handled by 1135 type pulse dust collector. Flour storage and packaging section configured with 1 flour inspection sieve, 2 finished product flour silos, 1 bran silo, and 3 automatic packaging machines. This flour production line features mature technology and stable operation. The finished flour has a rich wheat aroma and high precision. Business owners are welcome to contact us for inquiries.